Have you ever followed a recipe perfectly, but your cake didn't bake evenly because you used the wrong pan size? Or maybe you have wondered, how do I adjust my recipe for a pan I already have? Hi, I'm Dipti Harshad Vartak, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you adjust the recipes for your different pan sizes so you can bake perfectly every time without wasting any of your ingredients or your efforts. So if you have ever struggled with this, save this video now because these tips will transform your baking game. So are you ready? If yes, then let's fix those pan problems once and for all. Understanding how to adjust the recipes for different pan sizes is a skill every baker needs to know. So I'm breaking it down into three simple steps so you will never have to guess again. First thing first, understanding the pan volume. First, you need to know your pan's volume. And here is how to do it. Fill your cake tin with water. Measure the amount it holds and compare it to the original recipe's pan size. For example, if your recipe uses a 9-inch round pan, which holds, let's say, about 8 cups, but you only have an 8-inch round pan, which holds 6 cups. Now, you will need to reduce your batter by about 25%. And here is a quick tip. Keep a chart of common pan sizes and volumes handy. It's a lifesaver. Did you know your pan volume before this? Let me know in the comments. Second one is adjust the baking time and temperature. Using a smaller or a deeper pan, your baking time and temperature will need adjustment. Smaller pans, if you are using smaller pans, lower the temperature by about 10 to 20 degrees and bake for shorter time. And also start checking 5 to 10 minutes earlier. If you are using larger pan, keep the temperature the same but check for the doneness earlier as the batter spreads thinner and bakes faster. And here is a pro tip. Always use a toothpick or a knife to check the center of your cake. When it comes out clean, it's done. Third one is scaling ingredients proportionally. If your pan size is completely different, you will need to scale your recipe. And here is how you can do that. Divide the volume of your pan by the original recipe's pan size to find out the scaling factor. Here is an example. If your pan is 10 cups and the original recipe is 8 cups, your scaling factor is 1.25. Multiply all the ingredients by this number. Always round up and down to make ingredients measurements practical. And here is a quick question. Have you ever tried scaling a recipe? Did it work out? Share your experience with me. Fourth is handling specialty pan shapes. Specialty pans like bundt pans or loaf pans can be tricky because their shapes affect the baking time. For tall pans, lower the oven temperature and bake for a longer period of time to avoid burning the edges. And for wider pans or shallow pans, increase the temperature slightly but bake only for shorter time. And here is a bonus tip. Grease and flour specialty pans thoroughly to prevent any kind of sticking. Adjusting the recipes for different pan sizes might seem challenging, but with these simple steps, you can bake with confidence every time. So, which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you have found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your baking friends. Remember, the perfect pan size is just a calculation away. Happy baking, and I will see you in my next video.